will talk about how can you find blocked history on your Whoscall app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Whoscall app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to check my block rows, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you come here to blockade history, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here. Then here you will find blockade call history, and here you will find blockade SMS history. Here I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list. That's all I wish I give it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.